Every heartbeat and every thought you have runs on glucose, the essential fuel that powers all your cells. However, when this vital fuel becomes unbalanced, it can paradoxically harm the very systems it's meant to sustain. Today, we delve into the intricate science of blood sugar, exploring its profound impact on your energy levels, the aging process, your cognitive function, and overall health. At its core, this discussion is about achieving balance, the delicate harmony between providing your body with necessary fuel and maintaining precise control over its utilization. When you consume food, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which then enters your bloodstream. Insulin, a crucial hormone, acts like a key, unlocking your cells to allow this glucose to enter and be used for energy. However, in our modern world, characterized by an abundance of processed foods and constant sugar intake, insulin is forced to work overtime. This relentless demand can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where cells become less responsive to insulin signals. Insulin resistance is the silent foundation for a host of common ailments, including persistent fatigue, frustrating brain fog, unexplained weight gain, and the progression towards metabolic diseases. Beyond immediate symptoms, chronically high blood sugar levels contribute to the formation of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These harmful compounds stiffen blood vessels, accelerating the aging process throughout the body and impacting organ function. High blood sugar also triggers systemic inflammation, a destructive process that damages tissues and organs. This chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to serious conditions like heart disease and cognitive decline, impacting both physical and mental well being. The energy roller coaster is a very real experience for many. Rapid spikes in blood sugar cause insulin to overcompensate, leading to a sudden crash in glucose levels. These crashes often manifest as intense hunger, heightened anxiety, and noticeable mood swings, disrupting daily life. Your brain, which relies heavily on a steady supply of glucose, suffers significantly from these chronic highs and lows. Chronic high blood sugar has even been linked to what some researchers call type 3 diabetes, specifically impacting brain health and contributing to memory loss. Fortunately, nature provides us with powerful tools to stabilize blood sugar and mitigate these adverse effects. Fiber-rich foods, such as hearty oats and nutritious lentils, are excellent for slowing down the release of glucose into your bloodstream. Healthy fats found in creamy avocados and various nuts help to delay the absorption of sugars, preventing rapid spikes. Spices like cinnamon have been shown to improve cellular glucose uptake, making your cells more efficient at using sugar. Remarkably, apple cider vinegar can lower post-meal blood sugar spikes by up to 30%, offering a simple yet effective intervention. Bitter greens, such as spinach and kale, along with minerals like magnesium found abundantly in almonds, enhance insulin sensitivity. For optimal brain health, flavonoids present in blueberries and omega-3 fatty acids, often found in fatty fish, play a protective role for neurons. To master your metabolic rhythm, start your days with a balanced breakfast rich in protein and fiber. Incorporate short walks after meals, which can cut post-meal glucose spikes by an impressive 20 to 30%. Prioritize deep, restorative sleep to prevent insulin resistance from developing or worsening. Practice slow, mindful breathing techniques to counter stress-induced blood sugar rises, promoting a sense of calm. Remember, achieving balance isn't about strict restriction. It's about cultivating awareness and making informed choices. Sugar itself isn't the enemy. Rather, it's the imbalance in its consumption and your body's response that poses the real challenge. By aligning your diet, movement, and rest, you can effectively flatten your glucose curve, leading to steady energy, a clear mind, and a lighter, healthier body. This is the essence of metabolic harmony, a state where your body functions optimally. Stay aware, stay balanced, and let every bite remind you. Life's sweetest moments truly come from stability, not from excess.